you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jerome.
Happy birthday, Tito Jerome. Enjoy your birthday and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. We love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Jerome!
We miss you po. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Merry Christmas!
Happy New Year, Breads!
Wait lang, Bi. Ulitin mo, Bi. Ang pangit, Bi.
Happy birthday, Tito Jerome. Love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jerome.
Happy birthday. Wishing you a day filled with happiness and a year filled with joy. Happy birthday. Sending you smiles for every moment of your special day. Have a wonderful time and a very happy birthday. Hope your special day brings you all that your heart desires. Happy birthday, Je. English na yun ha. Nahirapan ako. Bye-bye. Love you.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Jerome.
Hi, Jerome. Happy birthday. We love you.
We love you.
Tsaka, see you soon.
Yeah, see you soon. Sana magkita tayo. Kahit medyo matagal, pero magkikita pa rin tayo. Baka pag nagkakotse kami ni Larry. Bye, I love you.
Bye. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday.
Jerome, tagal na natin hindi nagkikita. Happy birthday. 40 years old ka na. Hopefully, more birthdays to come. Kailan ba balak niyong dumalo dito sa Pinas? Hopefully, magkita-kita tayo. Soon. Happy birthday again. God bless.
Yes, hello. Good morning po. I wanna wish a happy birthday sa akin pong pinakamamahal na Kuya Je Pegolio. Happy birthday po sa iyo. Wish you na lagi kang mag-iingat at balayo sa sakit. Happy birthday, Kuya!
Hi, Jerome. Happy birthday. Matanda ka na. Kumusta dyan? Kumusta sa mga Tito Jake? Yung Tita Fe? May sakit kasi ako ngayon. Yung mga pagsalita ng ayos. Masakit ang lalamunan ko. Again, happy 40th birthday. 40th? 40 ka na. I miss you. Bye-bye. Enjoy your day.
Hello, Jerome. Kumusta? Happy birthday. Sana'y marami pang birthday dumating sa buhay natin. 40 years old na tayo. Nakakamiss na yung mga tropa natin dati. Kaso hindi na pwede yung ganun. Hindi pwede yung laging bulakbol. Basta happy birthday lang sa'yo. Sana magkita-kita pa ang tropa natin habang game pa tayo, habang malalakas pa tayo. Good luck sa mga journey natin. Happy birthday.
Hi Jerome, happy birthday sa special na araw na ito. Wala akong ibang hiling kundi maging masaya ka, magkaroon ng malakas na pangangatawan, at matupad mo sana lahat ng iyong pinapangarap sa buhay kasama ng iyong pamilya. At happy birthday muli at mag-iingat palagi and God bless.
Mahigit 2 dekada ko talagang hinintay itong pagkakataon na to eh. Kasi naalala mo nung college, madalas mo kong asarin kasi mas matanda ako sa inyo nung 2 hanggang 3 taon yata, no? Kaya pagkakataon ko na rin to eh. Ngayon matanda ka na rin, pre. Anong feeling, ha? Joking aside, happy birthday, Chong. Sa halos 2 dekada nating magkakilala eh, nagkaroon ako ng kasundo, hindi lang kaibigan, kundi naranasan ko na parang tanggapin akong extension na rin ng pamilya Pigolio. Isang napakabait na pamilya. Kaya thankful ako na nakasama kita nung college. At kahit tapos na yun eh, in contact pa rin tayo hanggang ngayon. Kahit pa-joke na videos na lang sinishare natin sa isa't isa eh, natutuwa ako at constant communication pa rin tayo. Sana maging patuloy ka maging mabuting tatay, maging mabuting asawa at anak. At diyan naman ako bilib sa iyo, Chong. Cherish ko yung pagkakaroon ng isang kaibigan na talagang matatawag kong mabuting tao at may mabuting pamilya. Happy birthday, pre. Life begins na.
Bro Jerome, happy birthday. Since elementary, alam ko namang mabait ka talagang tao eh. So, ngayong birthday mo, I wish you good health and may our Lord grant the desire of your good heart, bro. Ingat ka lagi and God bless. Again, happy birthday, bro.
Happy birthday, Jerome. My very first grandson and inaanak sa binyag and sa wedding as well. Diba? From your tita Ninang ganda, ako yun. Very short lang tong video birthday greetings na ginawa ko, but I hope na-surprise kita and it would bring back good memories way back na nandito pa lang kayo sa Pilipinas. Actually, I have these 2 pictures saved in my gallery, taken during your civil wedding and also with Champuring there. Diba? Ang ganda. Payat pa ako dyan. Anyways, I wish you good health lagi. Safe lagi yung family mo. More blessings to come. And I thank God for the wonderful person you have become. Also, for giving you a very charming and lovable daughter, si Bella. Regards to Mami Emma also, stay happy and in love. Regards to everyone, your Mami Fe, Daddy Jake, yung #1 fan ko yan eh. Kahit tanong mo sa kanya, gandang-ganda sa akin yan eh. Happy birthday again and happy holidays. Take care. Love you all. Mwah.
Hi Jerome, good morning. Good morning to everyone. Musta Ate Fe, Kuya Jake, Jerome, I know it's your birthday. Happy birthday. Have fun, right? Enjoy your day. Enjoy with your family. Okay, ingat kayo palagi dyan. And hopefully, kita-kita rin tayo soon. Alright? Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jerome, and Merry Christmas to all of you.
Happy birthday, Jerome! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Happy birthday! Regalo namin, Ratan. Merry Christmas! Happy birthday, Jerome! Happy ulit to Jerome. Jerome! Madala ka ng multa.
Happy birthday, Jerome! More birthdays to come! God bless you! Enjoy your day! Ingat palagi kayo dyan!
Ingat po kayo lagi!